Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set breaks on TikTok, so let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner that says profile. It's going to take us to the profile page. While we're here, we're going to click on the three stripes on the top right corner. A navigation menu will pop up, so we're going to click on the fourth option, settings and privacy. Here, we're going to skip the account section. We're going to move on to content and display. Or scroll down and we're going to select screen time. As you can see, the second option we have is screen time breaks. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. As you can see, you can set your breaks for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or a custom time. For example, let's set it to a custom time, like 55 minutes. If you want to save that custom time, you're going to click on done. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.